Thinkific offers two primary methods for adding videos to your courses: direct upload to the platform or integration with third-party hosting services. Direct upload to Thinkific supports four major video formats: MP4, AVI, and WMV, with a maximum file size of 2 gigabytes per video. Thinkific automatically compresses and optimizes your videos, then delivers them through its built-in content delivery network for optimal global performance. For third-party hosting, Thinkific integrates seamlessly with YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. Each platform offers distinct advantages for different course needs. YouTube is cost-effective and provides excellent SEO benefits. Vimeo offers advanced privacy controls and professional analytics. Wistia is the premium option, providing in-depth viewer insights for marketing-focused courses. As of 2025, Thinkific has significantly enhanced its video player with improved mobile responsiveness, better streaming quality, and advanced analytics capabilities. The new analytics features provide detailed insights, including watch time, completion rates, and precise drop-off points, helping course creators optimize their video content for maximum student engagement. Thinkific provides powerful chapter functionality to organize your video content for better navigation and student engagement. You can break long videos into digestible segments with clear navigation points. Thinkific offers two ways to create chapters. You can use automatic chapter detection, where AI analyzes your video content to suggest chapter breaks, or manually create timestamp-based markers with custom titles. Chapters become even more powerful when you add interactive elements. You can insert quizzes, downloadable resources, and notes at specific chapter points. This creates natural learning checkpoints throughout your content. Chapter-level completion tracking provides detailed analytics about student engagement. You can see exactly where students spend time, where they drop off, and which chapters are most effective. For optimal engagement, aim for chapter lengths between 3 to 7 minutes. Use clear, descriptive titles that help students understand what they'll learn in each segment. Thinkific's Autoplay functionality can automatically start the next lesson or chapter when the current one ends. You can set customizable delays of 3, 5, or 10 seconds to give students time to process what they've learned. While Autoplay can increase course progression by keeping students moving through content, it may reduce retention since students have less time to reflect. Use Autoplay strategically. Enable it for sequential demonstrations, but consider disabling it for complex concepts that require processing time.